Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to recover your account username in Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account. From this login page, click on Forgot Username below this login button. You can recover your Mailchimp username using the email address or SMS number associated with your account. And for this video, I will go with using or recovering using the email address on my account. Just fill in your Mailchimp account email address and click on recover username. Now you need to check your email inbox. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And this is the email message I received from Mailchimp. It's directly showing you your Mailchimp username. Just copy it or click on this login to Mailchimp button. And this is how to recover your Mailchimp username. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.